Hello, Burlington Public Schools. It's Michelle Artizzoni here, Digital Learning Coach, and I'm happy to be demonstrating the iPad feature of Predictive Text. This is a feature that can help all students who are learning to become literate in language. Where to find this Predictive Text setting is under the Settings app, under General, and Keyboard. Once in the Keyboard section, look for Predictive Text and make sure this setting is turned on. What this will look like, for example, when typing a sentence in a Google Doc, the iPad will give suggested words based on the spelling that has been started in the sentence. All the student would need to do is tap on the word that they see, and the sentence would be completed. This feature certainly helps students who are learning to make the connection between the spoken word and how the word is written and spelled. Thank you for learning more about predictive text.